Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Flow Launcher if it's not working properly on your Windows computer. Whether the launcher isn't responding, search results aren't appearing, or keyboard shortcuts have stopped working, there are several simple fixes you can try. So let's get started. First, close Flow Launcher completely and reopen it. Right-click the Flow Launcher icon in the system tray and choose Exit, then launch the application again from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix temporary issues. Next, open Task Manager and make sure there aren't multiple Flow Launcher processes running in the background. If you find any stuck processes, end them and start Flow Launcher again. Yeah, this can resolve problems caused by a frozen background task. If the issue continues, check for updates. Open the Settings menu in Flow Launcher and look for the Update option, or visit the official Flow Launcher website or GitHub releases page to download the latest version. New updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility updates for Windows. You should also review your plugin settings. If a specific feature isn't working, make sure the required plugin is enabled and configured correctly. Disabling and re-enabling the plugin can sometimes resolve unexpected behavior. If none of these steps solve the problem, uninstall Flow Launcher and install the latest version from the official source. A clean installation can replace corrupted files and restore the application's default configuration, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Flow Launcher when it's not working properly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.